Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are going to be talking about hair care. Oh my goodness, I almost never talk about hair care on my channel, but today is the day, guys. Today is the day. So not long ago I happened to buy the Nioxin number 2. If you guys never heard about Nioxin, Nioxin is a company that actually helps with the scalp rejuvenating process, where it actually makes your hair grow longer and faster, and it actually helps with the healthy growth process of your hair. I was kind of concerned about my hair lately because I am noticing that the more I do use the hot tools, the more I do, let's say, a blow dry my hair, the more I do, the straighten my hair, I'm losing hair a lot. So I gave the Nioxin number 2 try. Now this is a 30-day supply according to them, and to be honest, the bottles that you get is not gonna last for 30 days. And then again, it depends on how many times you use a week. I personally do wash my hair twice a week. I do exercise, I do work out. So when I work out, my scalp gets sweaty, I do sweat, my hair gets greasy. So it's best to wash it frequently than just going out with a crazy, messy hair. I gave it a try to all these 3 products. It comes with the cleanser shampoo. It comes with the scalp therapy conditioner. It also comes with the scalp and hair treatment as well. So the way I use these products, of course, as they recommended, you have to use the shampoo first, and then you have to use the conditioner second, and then third, you have to use the treatment after you wash your hair. So your hair has to be damp. So when I tried the shampoo, the first impression was, wow, this is a really like a clarifying shampoo. When you do use it, you will actually notice like a squeaky feeling of your hair. It actually makes your hair clean. When you do use it, you will actually notice that it's doing something on your scalp, and your scalp feels very light and clean after you use this shampoo. And then you follow up with the conditioner. Surprisingly, I loved how my hair felt after using these 2 products. Alright guys, this is the first day I tried the Nioxin kit, which is designed for, thinning hair. So my hair is not terrible. I just want my hair to feel a little bit fuller. So far, it feels really good. I love how it feels very fresh and clean. It feels very mentholy when you do use the shampoo and conditioner. And last step is this scalp and hair treatment I did try, and it feels very good so far. So this is the first day, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated again. Hi guys, quick update on the Nioxin shampoo, conditioner, and treatment. So this is the second day that I started using, well, actually this is the second day that I'm using this product. This is the second wash. Oh my god, this is the second wash. Now I have to mention, I feel my hair is extremely clean and it feels very, very healthy. My very first impression about the product, when you do use it, it feels super, super refreshing on the scalp, and you do feel that, it creates a very satisfying foam. After I washed, I used shampoo, I used conditioner, and it felt extremely clean. But when I started using this Nioxin scalp and hair treatment, after my hair dried down, oh my goodness, it's so noisy. It felt extremely greasy, and it felt very crunchy, and I was like, wow, I did not like the texture at all. It obviously makes your hair very thick and it makes it more texturized, but it does not feel good. So I did not like it at all. But today, when I washed my hair, I did use only the shampoo and also conditioner, and so far it feels beautiful. I love how my hair is more manageable when I did my hair today. And yeah, so this is the update so far. Clean. When you do use it, you will actually notice that it's doing something on your scalp, and your scalp feels very light and clean after you use this shampoo. And then you follow up with the conditioner. Surprisingly, I loved how my hair felt after using these two products. So after that, I tried the treatment, and the treatment that I have tried, I was not a fan of it at all. The first day I have used it, when you get it actually on the hand, you will notice that it comes in a kind of a foamy consistency, and then you will kind of massage it on your damp hair, you know, on your scalp. And then after you massage it, it kind of helps to make your hair feel thicker. The first thing that I have noticed that my hair was very thick. It was crunchy, you know, it was not good crunchy, it was bad crunchy, you know, and it felt extremely greasy as well. Maybe I overdid it, I don't know, but this is how I felt. And then I have tried it second time again, and then it still felt the same, and I was like, I'm not gonna use this treatment at all, because I hated how my hair felt after using the treatment. But however, I proceeded with the shampoo and conditioner, and I felt that my hair was very clean, it was very soft. I love the feeling of my hair after using the shampoo and conditioner. And sometimes I try to avoid the conditioner as well, because it's not always good to condition your hair every time. You know, you have to give a break, because sometimes when you do use conditioners like that, especially the strong ones, it kind of weighs your hair down. That's what I have experienced. You know, my hair was, I would say, weighed down a little bit. You know, it was not kind of bouncy, it was not, you know, airy. Other than that, I really like these two products, shampoo and conditioner. I don't like the treatment at all, how it made my hair feel. And now when it comes to the result, so I have used this product for almost a month now, and I still have a little bit left, because I kind of you know, incorporated other shampoo and conditioners in this period. I did not feel that much of a difference, to be honest, when it comes to the growth of my hair, or I would say the thickness. Using it as a regular shampoo and conditioner, oh my goodness guys, it is one of the best ones that I have tried. And then again, the price tag is up there, so it is very expensive. Shampoo and conditioner is, I would say, high-end and also luxurious line when it comes to hair care, but I think it's kind of worth to giving it a try and then see how you like it. You know, I personally did not see much of a difference in my hair growth, I would say the thickness of my hair, but as a regular shampoo and conditioner, I would highly recommend to give it a try and see how you like it. That's my experience about the Nioxin. I'm not mad about it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked the video. Please thumbs up the video if you have liked it, and make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel, if you do like skincare, if you do like beauty or hair care now. Hopefully you're gonna like the channel and then come back and hang out with me. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you alone now. You guys have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.